When it comes to your roof, ventilation is one of the most important but often overlooked part of your home's health. You need a constant flow, fresh air coming in through your intake vents, and warm, humid air escaping from your exhaust vents. That airflow keeps your attic dry, helps prevent mold, and extends the life of your shingles.
The key is balance. You can't have more exhaust than intake. That's one of the most common mistakes we see. You can't really overdo intake, but you can overdo exhaust. When that happens, some exhaust vents actually start pulling air in instead of letting air out, which defeats the purpose. There's a formula we use to make sure each home has the right amount of ventilation, and it's critical that intake and exhaust are evenly balanced. When those two work together, air moves smoothly through the attic, keeping temperature and moisture levels in check.
Another problem we run into is mixing multiple types of exhaust vents, like using box vents and ridge vents together. They end up competing with each other and can short circuit the system.
And one of the biggest issues we find is bathroom fans. Every time someone showers, that warm, moist air is dumped straight into the attic, which leads to mold, insulation damage, and even rotten decking. If we find that's happening, we can install a proper bathroom vent on the roof and connect insulated ductwork from your bathroom fan to it. That way, all that humid air is safely vented outside where it belongs.
Proper ventilation also depends on the insulation and airflow inside your attic. The insulation has to be adequate and positioned so your intake vents aren't blocked. In some homes, baffles are installed to make sure air can move freely from the soffits into the attic space. Every part of that system works together to keep your home healthy and your roof performing its best. Proper ventilation might not be something you see every day, but it makes a huge difference in your roof's performance and your home's comfort.
That's why every roof we install is checked for the right ventilation balance, so your home can breathe the way it should.